Creative consciousness, the soul, the source of all reality, creates through the spiritual plane and manifests as self-awareness. In creation, the soul is revealed, and in matter, it awakens to self-awareness. Truth never loses its unity, even when it takes on 1,000 forms as reality. All that is body and spirit arises from this truth, and to it all shall return. The three primary colors, and the rainbow's infinite shades born from them, all originate from the same light. Though they appear different, they are in truth diverse manifestations of the same unity. The three colors are the apparent dissolutions of the self into the levels of self-awareness, body, soul, and spirit, as the three colors form the circle of consciousness. Just as the unity of the three colors originates from white light, so self-awareness arises from the true self. The unity of the realities of bodily, soulful, and spiritual levels of consciousness is the true self. Duality, light and shadow, white and black, and the three primary colors, like protons and atoms shaped by energy and information, are all apparent, infinite manifestations of unity. Space and time, beginning and end, motion and change, are but the flowing of the rainbow, form returning to its source, manifestation dissolving into unity. Energy, like light, and colors as wave vibrations, are threads of energy woven into geometric patterns, the reality of force fields, becoming matter. The infinite diversity of matter is a tapestry of wave vibrations, bundles of energy woven into geometric forms. This ordered shaping of energy is the cosmos itself, and as the universe, it reflects the original source of all reality, the unity of infinite and eternal energy. The soul is the self, the source of consciousness, and it manifests through the spirit as self-awareness. Self-awareness expands and contracts through different states of consciousness, identifying with the perspectives of matter, body, and reality, while permeating body, soul, and spirit alike.